Today we are going to explore the best MACD trading strategy with the price action combination, and we will use this guy strategy explain in his video. नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to Akash DR channel. What we will cover in this video? First we will see conditions and rules. Second we will code this strategy for a strategy tester in TradingView. Then we will backtest it on different pairs and different time frames. Fourth, if we find it profitable, then we will automate it, algo automation, and start live trading. So what are strategy rules? This strategy is mainly based on the MACD indicator. Second indicator is EMA 200 using the filtering trend. Third is the price action combination. This strategy is a combination of support resistance bounce strategy. For long entry, market must be in uptrend using EMA 200. Market must be above EMA 200. Market must bounce back from the support level. Then MACD must give crossover above the signal line below zero level. Then take a buy entry. SL will be below 200 EMA. He did not tell exactly how much buffer below EMA 200. So we will use 5 pips below EMA 200 and take profit according to his strategy. It's 1.5 times of the stop loss. Short entry, market must be in downtrend using EMA 200. Market must be below EMA 200. Market must bounce back from the resistance level. MACD must give crossover. MACD must give cross under below the signal line below zero level. Then take a sell entry. SL will be 200 EMA. He did not tell exactly how much buffer above EMA 200. So we will use 5 pips above EMA 200 and take profit according to its strategy. It's 1.5 times of the SL. Now we will make a strategy script first in TradingView for this strategy rules. Now let me add support resistance indicator, and we will check if the candle touch the support level and bounce back. Now first let me add the MACD indicator. Now we will check if the MACD is below zero level. Then wait for the MACD crossover to happen. Now I am going to add EMA 200 indicator. Next, check if MACD crossover and candle is above 200 EMA. Then we will take a buy entry. We will place stop loss below 200 EMA minus a buffer of 5 pips. We will give input options for buffer pips. Take profit is 1.5 times of SL. Now we will do same for sell signal. First, we will check if the candle is touched the resistance level and bounce back. Here, check if MACD is above zero level, then wait for the MACD cross under to happen. Next, check if MACD cross under and candle is below 200 EMA, then we will take a sell entry. We will place stop loss above 200 EMA plus a buffer of 5 pips. Take profit is 1.5 times the SL. Now our backtesting strategy script is ready. Now we can see on chart also. Here is a buy signal appearing. चलो फिर चेक करते हैं सब सही तो है। यहाँ पे मार्केट ने सपोर्ट से बाउंस हो चुका है और प्राइस भी मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर है। यहाँ पे जैसे ही MACD ने क्रॉसओवर दिया, सिग्नल आ गया और टेक प्रॉफिट भी हिट हो गया है। लेट्स सी सेल सिग्नल। यहाँ पे मार्केट रेजिस्टेंस से ड्रॉप हो रहा है, प्राइस मूविंग एवरेज के नीचे है और MACD ने क्रॉस किया है सिग्नल लाइन को जो कि जीरो के ऊपर है, तो सेल भी करेक्ट है। नाउ टाइम टू बैक टेस्ट इट। फर्स्ट वी विल बैक टेस्ट इट ऑन XJUSD गोल्ड पेयर ऑन 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम। गोल्ड बहुत ही वोलेटाइल होता है। वी विल चेक हियर नेट प्रॉफिट, परसेंटेज प्रॉफिटेबल, प्रॉफिट फैक्टर एंड मैक्सिमम ड्रॉ डाउन ऑल्सो। वी विल ट्रेड विथ 0.1 lot. So in trading view setting, I will put 1000 because 1 lakh unit is equal to 1 lot.
In XJUSD, you can see 63,000 loss. So net profit is nothing. Percentage profitable is approximately 33%, which is also bad. Profit factor is 0.6, which is also bad. Maximum drawdown is around 78,000, which is 7.85%, which is
so overall this strategy is looking tradable in XJUSD. Now we will test it on Bitcoin chart in 1 hour time frame. We will trade it with 0.1 Bitcoin quantity because today Bitcoin is very expensive.
In Bitcoin you can see $94 profit. The percentage profitable is 46%, which is good. Profit factor is 1.5. Maximum drawdown is $32, which is not so bad.
Is lossable in Bitcoin in 1 hour. Now we will test it on Bank Nifty in 1 minute time frame because it's too volatile. We will trade it with 1 lot. So I will put 15 in quantity because 1 lot is equal to 15 quantity.
In Bank Nifty, if we trade in future, you can see 11,000 loss The percentage profitability is 34%, profit factor is 0.6, maximum drawdown is 22,000, which is so greater than net loss.
which is a little bit okay. Maximum drawdown is 4800, which is greater than net profit. So overall this strategy is profitable. In Bank Nifty, not so much profitable because profitability and profit factor is low. So we will not trade on this pair also. So now we found this strategy profitable in XAUSD in 15-minute time frame. So we will set up it automation for this strategy in XAUSD. First, we will convert this strategy into indicator script to send alerts for automation. Now we will generate alerts for every signal. Now we will set Pine Connector syntax and pass stop loss and take profit values with alert. Now download Pine Connector EA from their website and add it to chart in XAUSD. Now set the license key and set settings according to your requirements. Now I will copy webhook from Pine Connector syntax and paste in alerts and set up alerts for our made indicator. Now it has started trading. It will take buy position whenever a buy signal is generated and will take sell position whenever sell signal is generated.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees.
अगर आपको ऑटोमेशन वाली वीडियो और डिटेल्स में चाहिए तो आप बाकी के वीडियोस हमारे चैनल पे देख सकते हैं जिसमें बहुत डीपली ऑटोमेशन और लाइव ट्रेडिंग दिखाई है. इफ यू वांट दिस स्क्रिप्ट कोड्स देन यू विल फाइंड इट्स कोड इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. आप और कौन से स्ट्रेटेजी को बैक टेस्ट करना चाहते हो या फिर लाइव करना चाहते हो कमेंट्स में बताइए. इफ यू वांट टू डू एनी स्ट्रेटेजी बैक टेस्ट फॉर यू और मेक algo trading, then you can contact us on our given number. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing and clicking on the notification bell icon. तो फिलहाल तो अभी चलते हैं. Stay tuned, stay happy and enjoy trading.